Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on creating a Zoom account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. I will show you how to create an account on both mobile and PC. To create a Zoom account on mobile, you should first download the Zoom app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Then open up the app. Tap on Sign Up from the bottom left. Fill in your date of birth and tap Confirm. Now enter your email address and your first and last names, and then tap Sign Up. Zoom will send you a confirmation email. Go to your emails and find the email from Zoom. In the email, tap on the Activate Account button and open the link in the browser of your choice. You now need to create a password for your Zoom account. Make sure that it fits the password criteria listed below. Confirm your password. You now need to say if you are signing up on behalf of an institution. Tap Continue when you have ticked the correct box. You can choose to invite people to Zoom here if you wish, or you can skip this step. Your Zoom account has been created. Open up the Zoom app and tap on Sign in the bottom right, and then log in to your new Zoom account. You can now create, join, and schedule Zoom meetings. To create a Zoom account on PC, open up a web browser and go to zoom.us. Click on the Sign Up It's Free orange button in the top right of the page. Fill out your birth date and click Continue. Now enter your email address and tap Sign Up. Click Confirm on the pop-up. You now need to go to your emails and open the email from Zoom to activate your account. In the email, click on the orange Activate Account button. On the page that opens, fill in your first and last names, and then create a password and type it in again to confirm it. You now need to select yes or no depending on your circumstances, and then tap Continue. Here you have the option to invite people to join Zoom. You can also choose to skip this step, which is what I will do. Your Zoom account is now created. You can choose to join a meeting, host a meeting, or schedule a meeting. You can use Zoom on a web browser, but it is easier to use on the PC app. If you click on Host a Meeting in the top right corner and click with video on or off, the Zoom PC app will begin downloading. When it is downloaded, click on the download to open the Zoom installer. On the Zoom installer window, click Continue and then click Install. You may have to enter your computer's password here to allow the download. Then click Install Software. Close the Zoom installer and then click OK to allow Zoom access to your Downloads folder. Then click on Sign In and sign in to your new Zoom account. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Zoom tips and tricks.